Today, we're diving into the exciting world of carpentry.
If you've ever wanted to create beautiful wooden projects or simply fix things around the house, you're in the right place.
Let's get started.
Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about some essential tools every carpenter should have in their toolkit.
First up, the hammer. It's the classic carpentry tool, perfect for driving nails into wood. And don't forget the tape measure for accurate measurements.
Now, when using the hammer, make sure to hold it firmly and aim for the center of the nail. And when measuring with the tape measure, keep it snug for precise results. Choosing the right wood is crucial for your projects.
Hardwoods like oak and maple are durable and excellent for furniture, while softwoods like pine are more forgiving for beginners. Always consider the project requirements and your skill level. When working with tools, always wear your safety gear.
Goggles protect your eyes from dust and debris, and gloves provide a better grip and protect your hands. Now, let's talk about basic joinery techniques. The butt joint is the simplest, where two pieces of wood meet at a right angle.
It's great for quick projects, and if you want something stronger, try the dowel joint or the classic mortise and tenon.
We've all been there.
Common mistakes happen, and that's okay.
Learn from them and embrace the process.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Well, that's a wrap for today.
Remember, every master carpenter started as a beginner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what carpentry topics you'd like to explore next.